Hi, welcome back to Cedar Porch Homestead. I'm JR, and we had an amazing time at the Homesteaders of America conference, but before we could go, I had to get some wheels put on our mobile chicken coop or our mobile chicken tractor that we move our meat birds around with, because my girls were going to be handling the chores and they needed a little bit easier way of moving that tractor around. So real quick, let me show you that build. So now that build was all finished, me and Courtney got to go to the airport, and off to Virginia we went.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Say day one.
Yeah, day one.
Early on the first day, all the vendors had their tents set up. During the conference, we got to talk to a ton of these vendors, seeing the different products they brought out, along with new things that are coming out to the homestead community. Then on Friday night, there was a special praise and worship night that a guest pastor came, gave a wonderful message. And then to wrap things up on day two, all the speakers, or most of them at least, got to do a Q&A with the people attending the conference, followed by a wonderful ride through the Virginia countryside back to DC. Now, I apologize that we did not get more footage than we got at the Homesteaders of America conference, but being that this was our first time at the conference, I really wanted to take in everything that the conference had to offer. So we got to talk to a ton of vendors, we got to talk to several of the presenters, and we got to talk to a lot of the homesteaders there. Now, it was great being able to tell everybody that we were from South Texas, because short of maybe the shepherdess that was there on a booth, we were the only people that I found that were there from Texas. So that was great to be the representative from South Texas. Not that I was representing anyone other than myself, but it was a great time to talk to everyone at the conference. Now, let's see, because I left a camera behind at the house. So let's see what my girls were up to doing all the chores while me and mommy were off playing.
Day one. Day two. Day 3.
Day 4. Final day. They're kind of hungry right now. We have to lock Yo-Yo up because she likes to steal Suli's food.
I gotta go chickens. Go chickens. Rabbits.
You know it's still going, right?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
I left it. Please, Dad, don't put this in the video.
Time to feed the rabbits!
They haven't been eating very much.
No.
There's a dog. Reese, go potty. So we also have to give them fresh hay every day. They don't like the old stuff as much. So now I gotta take the food and move the meat rabbits. Oh, I only have to do this a little longer before they go to bye-bye. No!
No! No!
Let me film stuff. You go take care of that. Almost time to go bye-bye. Stupid dog.
Now we have to go unhook Yo-Yo.
Let's go.
My flowers. Beautiful. That one too. Beautiful. What? Okay. Bambi. Yo, I'm sorry. Are you mad at me, Yo-Yo? Wait. There. Free to go. And eating Suli's dust. Zachary. Up, Suli. Suli. Come on, out. People. Excuse me, Zachary?
Yeah. By the way, this is like fermented chicken feed we make kinda ourselves. We just get their grain. I don't know if it's a specific type of grain or something. And then we just put water in it and they get that. They love that stuff.
Bailey just fill it up.
Maybe not to that extreme.
Bro, Yo-Yo is still going at that dust. The dust of her
The dust
food.
of her happiness.
But she finished her dust, so she's on to Suli's dust.
Ah, so she takes up the dust of happiness from everyone else around her. Sounds familiar.
Don't look at me. Yeah, we gotta check our baby layers that aren't really babies anymore, but they can't be put. They can't be put into the big chickens because the food's not the same. But they're good today. So, time to get the eggs. Okay, don't tell Mom and Dad, but we forgot to get the eggs last night, so it's fine. We'll just get them this morning. Sorry, chickens. Right back to eating. Excuse me. Ow. We got nothing, 4, and nothing. So it's not that big of a deal. We're only getting 4 eggs currently. Just get all the stuff off. Okay. She had to refill their water. No, stop it.
Sorry.
Just. What did you think was gonna happen? Hey! I have a camera. Okay, we are done with the chores, so we're gonna go inside now, and I'm gonna make myself some hot tea because it's like 50 degrees out here. It's cold, especially for Texas.
We gotta go like, come on, Dad, please come back.
No!
Why did you leave us?
We're not doing that, Dad. We love you. Please don't add any of this in the video.
As you can see, my girls had a blast taking care of the chores while we were gone. They always have such a good time playing with each other while taking care of our animals. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but several of our meat birds that the girls were having to move, Ashlyn was having to get into the mobile tractor to help move those birds along because several of them do have leg issues. Now, I talked to Tom Watkins of Murray McMurray Hatchery. That's where we got those birds from. And I did not realize that they actually get the eggs for the broilers from the 6 or 7 major manufacturers or the major breeders of that type of broiler. So in the future, after talking with the owner of Murray McMurray, I've decided that we're going to go probably with the ginger broilers or the red meat birds that Murray McMurray actually has a lot more control over the breeding stock. And we should have less issues because we've ordered birds from Murray McMurray, and it seems like their birds that they actually produce there on the grounds definitely produce better than what we've had luck with on these Cornish cross or these jumbo Cornish. So we are going to be trying those probably in the spring, and we're really looking forward to that. But this week, I think I'm going to get everything set up because we're going to process some of the smaller birds because Cornish hens taste pretty good too. So if you haven't had a chance yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you're notified when we come out with new content. Make sure you leave a comment below on whether you were at, have been, or plan on going to one of these homesteader conventions in the future, because we would love to see you guys there at one of these that they have around the nation. Otherwise, we will see you on our next video. Take care.